Of course, an air show is an exhibition, centers around several things. It centers around the air chiefs that have been invited. There are 28 air chiefs that are here. So we've had a symposium at the start of the air show where we've studied and discussed the Asia-Pacific region. And of course, one of the key issues is the U.S. new strategy, if you will, and the rebalancing in our posture statements. And the second part, of course, is the technology here in the pavilion, where all the vendors from around the world are here to demonstrate their current technologies. And then, of course, it's an air show. So there are going to be airplanes flying, there are airplanes on exhibit, and the U.S. is obviously a very large vendor and component of the air show. And as the Pacific Air Force's chief, it's very important to be here.
Here we have a regional leader. We have an economic leader in the region. We have the ability to participate with them. They are clearly very dynamic in this air show, and I think it's important that we participate with any of the regional players as often as possible, especially when they have the influence that Singapore has. If you've covered these kind of events, this is big, this is huge over here, and the U.S. presence here is very, very big. So it's important that we participate in events such as this. I think Singapore has influence on stability. I think Singapore has influence in business. I think they have influence in all of your critical straits. It is a regional, geopolitical, geostrategic leader out here, and it's great to be here. We need to be here with the Singapore nation.
I understand that the Singapore Airshow is the third largest in the world, so I'm excited to see, given the growth of the Asia-Pacific region, what the results will be from this show. We're very optimistic that there will be a lot of opportunities for our companies, both on the defense and commercial side. There are 137 U.S. companies that are in Singapore for the Singapore Airshow. There are 73 in the U.S. Pavilion where we're standing, and of that number, 27 companies are brand new to the Singapore Airshow. I think that there are many opportunities, which explains why there's so many companies here from the U.S.